Hi friends! Welcome to the Funfair. Today, we're counting from 90 all the way to 100, our biggest adventure yet. We'll start at 90 each time. Ready? Let's go! Let's count to 90, starting at 90. 90! Fantastic start. Let's count to 91, starting at 90, 90, 91. Great counting, friends. Let's count to 92, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92. You're doing amazing. Let's count to 93, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93. Keep it up. Let's count to 94, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Awesome work. Let's count to 95, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Wow, you're great at this. Let's count to 96, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So good. Keep going. Let's count to 97, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. You're doing fantastic. Let's count to 98, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Amazing work, friends. Let's count to 99, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Almost there. Let's count to 100, starting at 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. You did it! Wow, that was amazing! You counted all the way from 90 to 100. You've learned so much. I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to count even higher. Great job, friends!